Okay, this quick video tutorial is how to convert old quizzes to new quizzes in Canvas. Currently, we have the ability to use both old quizzes and new quizzes, but at some point, old quizzes will stop having the ability for you to add a new one. So at some point, you want to convert whatever you have from old to new. So it's fairly simple. You're going to go into a Canvas course. You're going to come down the left-hand menu and click Quizzes. Once you click quizzes, you'll notice that the quizzes are marked by rocket ships. The darker rocket ships are new quizzes, and the lighter rocket ships are old quizzes. And if you can see, this first quiz that I have, I've already converted from old to new. Okay, so I'm going to take this next one and I want to convert it. So the way I'll do that is I'll come across the far right-hand menu to find those three dots. And then once I get there, I'm going to click the Migrate button. And it's going to say migration in progress. It's much like the import-export method that we do to send materials from one course to another. You can do multiple ones at a time. You don't need to worry about it. You will get an email notification when the migration is complete, just like uploading content from an import or export package in Canvas. And the only thing that will change is when the export or migration is complete, you'll now have two copies of the quiz, an old one and a new one. You'll know that from the rocket ships, and it will take a moment for it to happen. A couple of tips: you always want to open that new quiz once it's migrated to make sure that all the questions and the content came across correctly. There are a few question types that don't come across as cleanly as others, and you might have to adjust them from old quizzes to new quizzes. So be sure you always double check the work to make sure that the migration happens. The only other thing is that you're going to have to migrate each quiz individually, but we think at some point Canvas will have it so you can do them all at once. So it's just a one-step process. Once it's done, it will pop up. So this one is done. Now I have two quizzes. I can tell the difference because one is light colored and one is dark colored. All right, enjoy.